In this video, we are machining a heavy industrial shaft from solid steel. You will see the complete process from raw stock to final precision finish, including turning, facing, threading, and final inspection. Let's start machining. Starting off with a piece of E19 alloy steel, tough and reliable for this kind of job. This will be machined down into a heavy duty component. Let's get it set on the lathe and start cutting. Let's begin with roughing passes, removing the outer scale and bringing it closer to the required size. We are running at a very low RPM with a bit heavy depth of cut to clear material quickly. The steady rest is removed so the cut can run all the way to the end. Luckily, everything stayed smooth. No vibration at all. The setup turned up to be perfectly stable. After roughing passes, the tool became blunt. The hardness of this alloy steel really wore it out fast. So we took it out for a quick grinding to make it sharp for finishing passes. After roughing, it's time for the finishing pass. I'm running a higher RPM with a lighter depth of cut to get a clean finish. Here's the finished surface after the final pass. The cut came out smooth with a nice even finish all along the shaft. Now we have to finish the side face. Let's put back the steady rest and face off the side. Now the other side of the shaft is set up for machining, keeping both ends uniform for proper balance and fit. The same process is repeated. Next, we drill the hole for threading. It's important to keep the drill centered and steady to get a perfectly aligned hole. This sets up the base for a precise thread which is cut by a hand tap. Now the thread is formed using a hand tap tool. Since the material is quite hard, we take it slow and steady to avoid any damage. Careful tapping here prevents the risk of tool breaking inside the part. With all the lathe work is complete, it's time to move on to the milling as the final step. We are machining the keyway on a CNC mill for a quick and clean finish. And here's the final part, fully machined and ready for assembly. This wraps up our video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more precision machining projects.